Learning with Haika. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. So today I am making a beautiful picture like this one. It is a beautiful spring tree. It is made from pom-poms and the different things. If you want to see them, I will show you how to make this.
Look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
For making this picture, we need this mat, paints, and a single brush, and we need a pencil and a UHU, some papers, and these are a sticks. We can use it to make our flowers. They are rubber made, and we can easily bend them. And my last is, if we does not have these pom-poms, we can use our old jewelries like these ones. We can just cut. These are just looks like them. See, it looks like them. So we can use them like this. So let's start. We can buy these things from any crafts shop. Let's start our picture. First we need to dip some water in brush, and then we take brown color. Now let's draw. So we should have to make a V line like this, straightly, like this. We have to do like this and make here a small V like this. Like this, it looks like a V. It's all about V. It just makes with V. See? We should extend these lines in brown color like this. We have to make this line just like this to make branches. So we have to make a line with pencil like this in the middle. Okay? A little big. And take a brush, water, and some brown color. Like this. Then we have to make this same V in here, like this. Like this. And we also have to make here V like this. See? It's super easy. See? So our tree is complete. It looks so beautiful. Our old. So we have to make these small flowers with these bent sticks. Okay, let's start. For making this flower, we need UHU and this bent stick. Open and put it on the stick carefully. Then put your finger in here and roll it like this, but be careful. See, like this. And in the last, like this. See, it's super easy. have to hold this like this for a 1 minute to make it proper. See, it's oops, it's quite fun. I am using some.
Up.
I show you two ways. One is this one and one is this one. You can make from any way. It is little bit bigger and this one is little bit small. So it's time to put it. Let's start. Which one first I will take? Red is in here. First put it some glue and just stick it into that. So, okay. Let's take our next. Ooh, green. Let's try this one. No, we can take any color because green is already there. Oops. Let's take first this one because it is broken. And see, like this and here. Then let's take our. So now we have to put some balls in these circles. Okay, first I am taking this red and put in this one. See? Get to put a glue like this. Oops. Then put like this inside. See? We done one like this. Now let's start our next. This way we will finish our if you like my work, thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you like this picture, so you can make
No, ऐसे नहीं बेटा. Again.
Make this video subscribe.